Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 78 Granada. There, my camera focus, you can see that has disc brakes, the old, what they used to do in the old days. Starts right up. Heater fan works. Got some tunes. Quarter tank in the fuel. Left blinker. Right blinker. There's your wipers. Your key buzzer when your doors open works. Obviously no power windows, locks. No power seat. Those got dome light that works. So everything seems to work on it. Power brakes and power steering. This was a non-air car. You can see 302 engine. All appears to be pretty original. Runs really good. There's your lights. So everything works, so let's check the horn. A lot of horns don't work. Horn works. So everything works on the car. Just a neat old car from the 70s. 605-695-7391.